Imagine this scenario. A client sends out a request for a proposal. You prepare your price quote, but 4 other companies do exactly the same thing. All of you offer the same promises: high quality, meeting deadlines, and professionalism. In the end, who wins? Usually the one with the lowest price, and that's the whole problem. Your profit margins start to shrink and you find yourself working longer hours just to make the same amount of money. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to change your position in the market. You will learn how to start earning money as an expert rather than just a regular contractor. I am Rafi from Wall Printers, and in a moment, I will share specific examples of high margin services with you. I will also give you a practical 90-day plan that you can implement right away. This plan will help you increase your income without working more hours or hiring extra staff. Let's get started. You might have enough projects, your team is busy, and your calendar is fully booked for weeks ahead. Despite all this hard work, the numbers on your bank account at the end of the month still do not look the way they should. As a business owner, you face a difficult question. What should I do if I want to earn more? The traditional mindset tells you that you need to take on more projects and simply work harder, because that is what you're used to. However, this is where the real problem begins. Every new project you take on using the old system just means more hours of physical work. It does not actually improve your financial situation. Your profit margin stays exactly the same because the costs of labor and materials continue to rise. This is a dangerous trap that most companies in our industry fall into. That is precisely why I want to show you a much better alternative. Instead of doing more of the same low-cost work, you can start selling services that clients are truly excited to pay a premium rate for. Before we go any further, we need to clarify one important point. A high-paying project is not the same thing as a high-margin service. In a high-paying project, the client pays you for the sheer scale and volume of the work. For example, imagine you have to paint a 2,000 square meter office space in a single color. You will issue a very large invoice because the project is huge, but you are still pricing it strictly by the square meter. Your expenses also grow proportionally with the size of the job. The bigger the project, the more money you have to spend on materials and labor. With a high-margin service, the situation is completely different. The client is not just buying a standard service measured by the meter. Instead, they are paying for your specialized expertise, unique design, and a real solution to their business problem. Let me give you a practical example using wall printing. You should not market wall printing as just another service you sell by the meter. Instead, you are selling a custom piece of art on a hotel wall that is instantly scratch-resistant, comes with a long warranty, and allows the owner to keep their business open. The printing machine operates quietly in the background, so the hotel does not lose a single day of revenue. Those are the real benefits for the client. In the high-margin services we will discuss today, the fixed costs and material expenses are very low compared to the final price you charge. On top of that, the client happily pays for the original design, your expert skills, project supervision, and the clear business value they receive. There is also another massive advantage: your negotiation position. When it comes to regular projects, clients know they can easily send a request to 5 other companies. You are forced to compete on price alone. However, with high-margin services, the client views you as an expert consultant. If you possess a unique style, specialized experience, or advanced equipment, the client wants to work specifically with you. Suddenly, the price becomes a secondary detail. This completely changes the game. You stop being just another option in a long list of contractors. Now let's look at some specific examples. If you search online, you will find many examples of high-margin services. Some popular options that are relatively easy to start include installing acoustic panels, doing navigational audits for wayfinding systems, applying hygienic wall coatings, or creating eco-friendly branding with live plants. The main problem here is that everyone is doing them. When a service becomes too common, the profit margins drop because you find yourself fighting over prices once again. To achieve a high profit margin and protect your business from the competition, you need to focus on niche services. These are services that can only be provided after careful preparation or by investing in specialized equipment. For this reason, I have prepared 3 specific recommendations for you. These services will help you stand out from the crowd. They are still relatively unknown in the market, but they deliver a massive wow factor for the client. Let's start with next generation LED neons. Traditional glass neons can be a real nightmare. They look great, but they are expensive to manufacture, highly fragile to transport, and very costly to repair. Fortunately, next-generation LED lighting completely eliminates these problems. This technology uses a flexible silicon strip with integrated LEDs that can be shaped into absolutely any design a client requests. You can mount them onto acrylic plates, plywood, wood, or directly onto a wall. The visual result is almost identical to a traditional glass neon. However, the production cost is many times lower and the durability is significantly higher. The material costs are low, which is a great benefit for your business, but remember, the client cares about their own advantages. Therefore, your price quote should be based on the final visual effect and business value, not on the hours you spent working or the materials you used. Do you need an example of how this brings value to a client? Imagine a trendy new restaurant opening up with a bright, eye-catching neon sign right above the bar. Your first thought should be, this is the perfect spot for photos that customers will share on Instagram. Thanks to your work, the restaurant owner gets free advertising created directly by their guests. This is exactly the kind of benefit you need to highlight when presenting your price quote. Another great advantage is the barrier to entry. This service requires design skills, a strong aesthetic sense, and a good understanding of the materials. This naturally keeps your competition low because not everyone can do it well. Are there any downsides? To be honest, it is becoming a fairly popular service. In larger cities, you will already find a few companies offering this. You also need to have some basic design knowledge before you can start. However, if you are looking for a service that you can implement quickly with low financial risk, LED neons are an excellent choice. This is especially true if you are already involved in brand promotion or commercial shop fitting. Let's move on to our second service. Smart glass films, also known as PDLC films. This is a specialized material that you apply directly onto existing glass surfaces. It does not require you to replace any windows or do any major construction work. This means zero renovation mess and no complicated logistics to worry about. So, what exactly does a smart window do? In less than a second, it can switch from completely transparent to fully frosted. This delivers instant privacy on demand, incredible flexibility for the space, and a highly prestigious modern effect. You can install these films in corporate conference rooms, medical offices, or retail storefronts. The benefits here are very strong. First, the service is priced based on the overall value of the solution, not just the square meters of the material. Second, it combines professional installation, technical advice, and design work. This combination gives you a natural justification for charging a much higher fee. Third, the barrier to entry is higher than with LED neons. It requires specialized technical knowledge, which means you will face very little competition. Clients are more than happy to pay for this because it solves a major privacy problem without the need for a noisy, disruptive renovation. If you're already working in space branding or interior design, adding PDLC films to your business is a natural next step. It is a powerful tool for managing office spaces and enhancing a brand's visual communication. This should be your exact strategy from the very first sentence of your conversation with a client. You are not just selling plastic film, you are selling a sophisticated solution to their architectural problem. Finally, we have reached our number one service, wall printing. When we were looking for a new business opportunity ourselves, we researched various high-margin services, and that is exactly how we discovered the wall printer. One of the best things about it is that the machine does the printing automatically while you can work on other tasks in the same room. You can handle painting, signage, or installation work at the same time. This means you do not need to hire an extra employee to run the project. In addition, the material costs are low and highly stable. When we look at the numbers for a standard print without a white undercoat, the ink cost is up to £4 per square meter, and the average market rate you can charge the client is around £60 per square meter. If you are doing a premium print with a white undercoat, which you use when printing on non-white surfaces, the ink cost is around £8 per square meter, and you can charge the client around £100 per square meter. This is the perfect moment to enter the market because the competition in this segment is still very small. If you invest now, you will easily be one of the first providers in your entire region. This high profit margin comes down to three main factors: the unique nature of the technology, the automation of the labor, and the massive benefits for the client. Furthermore, one satisfied corporate client can instantly open up a whole network of new business contacts for you. What are these major benefits for the client? For example, you can print in a fully functioning office, hotel, or restaurant without interrupting their daily operations. There is no dirt, no dust, and no need to spend hours covering up furniture or carpets. The machine also operates with very low noise levels. For a business owner who cannot afford to close their doors and lose money, this convenience is far more important than the price. So, why is this technology still rare? The main reason is the initial barrier to entry, which is purchasing the equipment. A professional wall printer unit with a complete set of inks costs from £13,900 net, and financing options like leasing are widely available. We typically see a full return on investment after completing just a dozen larger projects. Best of all, learning how to operate the printer completely takes only a single day of training. The advantages are clear, but where does this service actually work best? The answer is everywhere. Restaurants, hotels, corporate offices, showrooms, and retail stores. It is perfect for any space that needs to communicate a brand message or create a better atmosphere for customers. You're not limited to standard walls either. You can print on furniture, doors, interior design elements, and wood panels. Every project on a non-standard surface allows you to set a higher price quote and face even less competition. Plus, the machine's ability to replicate fine details down to 1 millimeter never fails to impress clients. If you're already working in commercial fit-outs, space branding, professional mural painting, or running an advertising agency, wall printing is the ideal way to expand your business. To make sure this video serves as a practical guide rather than just casual inspiration, it is time to take action. You now have several great options to choose from. However, the big question is, which one is the right fit for you? To find out, you need to answer 3 questions honestly. First, what types of projects do you complete most often, and where is the most natural, logical opportunity to expand your current offer? Second, at what point in a project do your current clients take their money and spend it with another company? Pay close attention to your ongoing projects. After you finish your part of the job, does the client hire a different company to complete the next steps? Every time that happens, it is a clear sign of an unexploited financial potential for your business. Third, and most importantly, what can you realistically implement within the next 90 days? When making your decision, Make sure to consider the safety of your investment, the local competition in your region, and your current level of technical knowledge. How do you actually start introducing a new high-margin service? I have created a clear 3-month schedule for you. The first month is all about building your foundation. The main goal here is to make an informed, educated decision and create a solid plan before you spend a single pound of your money. During the first 2 weeks, focus entirely on your decision and market research. Go back to the 3 questions we just discussed. Analyze carefully whether the service you selected fits your current business model, your available resources, and your long-term ambitions. Take the time to check who else in your region is already advertising a similar service, how they position themselves, and what prices they charge. Your goal is not to copy them, but to find your own unique niche. In the 3rd week, move on to financial planning. Create a realistic budget that includes the cost of the equipment, required training, and any certifications. Decide what tools are absolutely necessary to start and what items can be purchased later as you grow. Spend the 4th week speaking directly with material and technology suppliers. Collect price quotes, request physical samples, and test different options. By the end of the 1st month, you should have a clear plan and a defined budget. Do not move forward until you have these ready. Make sure to keep this entire process highly organized. The 2nd month is the time to build your internal skills. This is where theory turns into practice. In the first 2 weeks, focus on gathering knowledge. Decide who in your team will be responsible for managing this new service and invest in developing their skills. Remember, this is an investment that will pay off many times over. At this stage, you can easily use free resources, industry blogs, tutorial videos on YouTube, and informative webinars. If you decide to go with wall printing, we have a complete educational playlist right here on our channel. In the 3rd week, if your plan requires it, go ahead and purchase your equipment. Spend time understanding its features and technical capabilities inside out. The 4th week is dedicated to testing and perfecting your workflow. Complete your very first trial runs. Your goal here is to identify and solve any potential technical problems before you offer the service to your first commercial client. By the end of the 2nd month, you should have a fully proven process and a team that knows exactly what to do. Only then will you be completely ready to start selling. The 3rd month is the exciting moment when you officially enter the market. It is time to turn your new expertise into real business revenue. During the first 2 weeks, focus entirely on securing your first projects. Decide who in your company will be in charge of selling this new service and how they should present it to prospects. The easiest path to success here is through upselling. Talk to your existing trusted clients and offer them this new solution as an exciting addition to a project you are already working on for them. The final 2 weeks of the month should be spent executing your first official orders and carefully documenting everything you do. Every single stage of the process, from the initial design phase to the spectacular final result, should be photographed and filmed. This documentation is what you will use to create your very first professional case study. A strong case study is an incredibly powerful sales tool and forms the foundation for building your reputation as an industry expert in the coming months. The companies that are growing successfully today are not the ones that are simply doing more of the same low-cost work. The winners are the businesses that adopt services that their competition does not even understand yet. Whether it is wall printing, LED neons, or smart PDLC films, each of these options offers more than just a higher profit margin on a single job. They elevate your entire position in the market, which benefits you in every single project you take on next. All it takes is one good decision and 90 days of consistent, disciplined effort. You have the plan, the technology is readily available, and your competition is still asleep. If wall printing sounds like the right opportunity for you, please let me know. In the description below this video, you will find direct links to our full playlist. Those videos will show you step-by-step how to implement wall printing in your business, explain all the technical details, and show you case studies from real-world projects. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.